Hi guys, we are on top of the Guano Point right now, above this Grand Canyon. So I just want to show you where we at. So this guys, this is where we came from, and this is the Grand Canyon, Colorado River. It's so beautiful, and we so many people here on top. And that's the viewpoint. I think I'm gonna get more on the top. Yeah, hold on babe. I'm on the top right now. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. We made it through here. Okay, look at these people there. Okay, wait babe. Okay. Okay. I can very well see myself. There you go. That's so high. I'm on top of the mountain. Oh, it's so hot. I'm burning. So there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so